What's up, dudes? Just doing McConkey's bowl today. Got Bay, Michael Scott, McConkey's bowl. Oh. I'm feeling like love tonight. There's no stopping what I feel inside. Throw your cares away. 'Cause baby, I can't get to stay. I'm feeling like love tonight. There's no stopping what I feel inside. Throw your cares away. 'Cause baby, I can't get to stay. Holy crap. Whew. Alright, what's up, dudes? Just doing McConkey's bowl today.
Yeah.
Got done doing it. It was a good run. What do you want to talk about?
Bay's first time doing a double black diamond.
Yep.
It was legendary.
How was that? Your first double black diamond. What do you think?
Actually, I fell down several times, but it was really impressive with this great instructor.
He did a double backflip when he fell, and I didn't get it on video, but it was epic.
Did a backflip, a full 360, and another somersault. One of the coolest wipeouts I've ever
I think
seen.
I can make it another one.
But yeah, it was good. Really pretty steep. A lot of fresh snow today. A lot of good runs. But yeah,
so much powder, you just jump down straight into it.
yeah,
It's so soft.
super
So much
soft.
just blows up when you jump into it.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Tune in, bump it, pound it.
What are we about to do, Joe?
McConkey's bowl.
Sweet.
Alright, Bay, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Double black diamond, baby.
Let's do it.
Alright.
Feeling free, I'm a part of this place above. And I know it cannot last, but at last I can finally breathe. And I know it cannot last, but at last I can finally see. Floating away with you in the backseat of my car. We're timeless, sailing through, but tonight, no, we can't go far. And I know
Pick you, man.
but at last I can finally breathe. And I know it cannot last, but at last I can finally see.
bump it, pound it. Got Michael in here. Got the prime coffee with the.
Get a close up.
Oh, don't do that. Oh no. Oh.